Okay, so welcome back, and today we're going to start talking about exponential equations and logarithmic equations. Okay, so we're going to start with exponential equations with the same base. And so this is going to use the one-to-oneness property that we talked about earlier. So the thing is if you have two exponentials that are equal to each other, the one-to-one property says, hey, if the bases are equal, and these two exponentials are equal to each other, then the exponents must also be equal to each other, and vice versa. If we have two real numbers that are equal to each other and we raise them both to the same as the exponents to the same base, then those numbers will also be equal. Now, again, we're assuming that these are all real numbers. B, M, and N are real numbers. B is greater than 0 and not equal to 1. Okay. So let's take this example here and see it in action here. So we've got this equation. It's an exponential equation, involves exponentials, and we want to solve this. So the idea is we notice it has the same base. We've got this 3 here. We want to be able to get this into this form so then we know we can reduce it to the equality of the exponents. So if we notice that this has a base of 3, this has a base of 3, then we got this 3 here, but we can write this 3 as 3 to the first power, right? We can write that as an exponential. And then we can use the property of exponents with the quotient rule, right? And so we can write this as 3 to the 4x minus 7 power is equal to 3 to the 2x minus 1 power, right? Because we subtract exponents when we use the quotient rule, top minus the bottom. And now we can use the one-to-one property because we have the same base, they're equal, so that means that the exponents are also equal. So we know that 4x minus 7 has to be equal to 2x minus 1, and now we've got a linear equation. Right? So now we've got two linear functions equal to each other, and we can solve this easily. And so if we subtract 2x from both sides, and so we get 2x minus 7 is equal to negative 1, and then we add 7 to both sides, right? And we get 2x is equal to 6, right? And then we divide both sides by 2, and we find out that x is equal to 3. And that's it. Have a great day.